Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Icemanjhey, back at it again with another video. And like I promised in the last video, I told you guys that I will show you guys driving footage of me driving my car and an update on the clutch, the stage 3 UPT clutch on the 19-pound chromoly flywheel. So this is gonna be for that video. And as you guys can see, obviously I'm in the Z here. Know what I'm saying? Alliance Carbon. Hey man, go check out Alliance Carbon, man. They got some fire things coming. And let me just tell y'all, I got some crazy content coming up for this year coming up. Anyways, as you guys can see, your boy got no type of mileage on his car for the gas. That's because we are switching over to 93 because I got a little road trip that's gonna be happening very soon, and I need to switch to 93 to be able to make it out there, because I don't know if there's E85 pumps over there and stuff like that. But anyways, that's gonna be separate for another video. This is just the driving footage of me driving my car, how it feels, couple pulls, but it's not gonna be on E85, it's gonna be on 93 like I said. So yeah, let's go get some 93, guys, and let's see the difference on E85 and 93. I haven't been on 93 for like about 2 months, probably almost 3 to be honest with you. But today I should have recorded it, but I wasn't thinking. It took a while for my car to start, for the cold start. It took a little bit. Obviously it's colder here. I'm in Maryland, so it's a little bit colder now. And it took a while for it to start, but we're gonna switch back to 93. My last light just turned off, so let's head over there before I get stranded out here. And yeah, come along, guys. As you guys can see, we're here at the gas station. I'm about to pump this 93 in real quick. And I got a meeting to go to at work, so once I'm out of there, then I'll pick the video back up, and then I'll show you guys driving footage going home. That's what I'm gonna do, so you guys can get a nice video, okay? But yeah, guys, let's see the difference on 93. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Icemanjhey. Look, I'm back on that 93 tank. You heard? Man, that lady in that joint pissed me off, yo. For some reason, my card declined. There's money on the fucking card, and I'm telling her there's money on the card, and she was like, well, it declined twice. And then I'm like, well, what can I do about it? She was like, it declined twice. I don't know what you want me to do about it. Like, what the hell, bro? That's not how you talk to people, first of all. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is not how you talk to people. And then she was just being a whole asshole, man. Like, I don't know why. But we're good. I'm here by my job. About to go to this meeting real quick. And then after I get out, I'll show you guys the point of views. Got my GoPro right here, as you guys can see, charging it right there. I got a charger for my GoPros, because you never know when somebody gonna pull up on you. You gotta be ready, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so after I'm done with this meeting, like I said, I'll give you guys the driving footage. But yeah, I had to find a freaking ATM around the area to be able to take cash out, because there was money on the card like I told her. But I don't know, let me know if that's ever happened to you guys before. But yeah, we're just here, you know what I'm saying, on that 93 tank. But I'll let you guys know once I'm out, and I'll pick the video back up. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the point of view drive. My meeting took longer than expected, but we're done with that. We're good. I'm driving back home. For some reason, I had gotten a code. It was check bank fuel something, or I don't know. Hit up my tuner. He just told me to clear it out and see if it comes back on again. So we'll see, because literally all I did was switch from E85 to 93. So I'm on 93 right now, full tank, as y'all can see. And yeah, I'm just driving back home. It's a little bit of traffic right now, but we'll see. The car definitely feels a little bit different. Like, I don't know, it feels like it's a lot louder too for some reason. I don't know, it might be just me, but I feel like it sounds a lot louder. Yeah, I'm just just trying to clean out that 85, man. Trying to clean that out. Have some more 93 on the tank, you know what I'm saying? Get it through the fuel system. But car feels good. Traction is on because the tires I'm on suck. They're terrible. Oh, I got a WRX right next to me. Let's see. Oh no, he don't want it. He don't want it. He in a rush. But yeah. Everything feels fine. I don't think I want to do a pull with traction off, but we'll see. As y'all can see, there's heavy traffic in front, but it's just the kind of like the rush hour area, so traffic is coming from everywhere. I got traffic in front of me, traffic on my side and everything. So yeah, that's a nice Camry. Those are the nice ones with the red interior. We'll see how the traffic is more ahead. I'm trying to give you guys pulls so you guys can see, and I'm trying to see if there's really a difference. I never really noticed it like that, but I want to like compare both and see. But yeah, man, other than that, the car is fine. Car feels great. I got a lot of content coming up. Y'all just gonna have to give me some time. This Friday I got a special video, something I've been wanting to do for a while, and it's finally going down. I can't give too much information on it. I mean, I can, but I'd rather have y'all wait and kind of guess. But just know I'm taking a road trip somewhere. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good video, hopefully, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. And then after that video, I got some more videos coming up, because I'm planning to do a couple different things to my car for this coming season, you know. So it's gonna be fun, man. Just stay tuned. Obviously, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like I always tell y'all, give me feedback on what I can improve, what you guys suggest, what type of videos you guys would want to see. If you guys want to see more races, what type of videos, you know, because I'm putting out the content for you guys, so you guys can enjoy this, you know what I'm saying? But just let me know, man. Let me know. I do this for y'all. About to do 50 roll. As y'all saw, I don't know if y'all could see it in the video, but I did spin tires a little bit with traction on. So if I would have turned traction off, ooh boy, I would have gone sideways like crazy. But yeah, I don't know the difference between it. Honestly, I don't know if I feel a difference. I would have to look at the speedometer and the RPMs and all that. But it felt good though. It definitely felt good. I'm not gonna lie. Other than that, that was one pull. Obviously, I want to give you guys some more, but it's too much traffic, man. But I told you guys. Okay, so now the question is, how's the clutch? How's it holding up and everything? Honestly, this clutch is really good for the price and stuff. I know a lot of people have heard mixed reviews and it's bad and this and that. For me, on its purpose, is doing its job, so I don't mind it. I would definitely want to try out other clutches in the future, but for right now, this isn't bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder to drive on and stuff, but it's not. And I don't have auto rev match, by the way. This is a base model. Anyways, the clutch is fine. I like how it drives. I like the bite point on it. You know, it's pretty nice. And then I also have the chromoly 19-pound flywheel, so I feel like that definitely helps out with the revs and the RPM as well. But yeah, I'm just trying to give you guys my honest opinion on it. And yeah, as you guys can see, look at all this traffic that always builds up right here. Hold on, about to downshift. Damn, this shit sounds a lot louder, I will tell y'all that. I don't know, it feels like it do, or I might be tripping. But yeah, it definitely sounds a lot louder, or I don't know if I'm tripping, but it definitely does. But yeah, at first it did give me some getting used to the clutch, because I had never driven a stage 2 6-puck. But boy, he just tried to press the gas when he passed by me. It did give me some getting used to it. It took me some time, but like I said, I'm kind of used to it now. This car need to back up, man. You too close. I'm used to it now, and it's fine. Like, it's fine for me. I really do like it. In traffic it gets a little tricky, but for anybody wondering if it's a good clutch, it's serving its purpose for me right now. I think it's a good clutch, don't get me wrong. Like I said, I've heard mixed reviews on it, that it's not good, that it's this, that it's that, but I like it. I like it. These cars be coming in way too hot, man. These people don't be careful. I don't know about y'all, but I hate driving in traffic, not because of my driving, but because of the people around you. They're like not careful and stuff like that, you know. But yeah, it's a nice day out. It's just really, really cold, but I really like this clutch, like I said, and I hope you guys are ready for what's to come. I got a lot of plans for this car. Let me know down below. I got one question for the new season, for this year coming up. Would you guys rather want to see like a turbo build, or kind of like a semi show car build, make the car look nice exterior and stuff like that? You guys let me know what you guys would want to see on the car, because like I said, I'm in no rush to build this car at all, because this is my baby. I plan on keeping this car forever, if I'm being honest with y'all. So if you guys had to choose, what would you guys would want to see? Like a turbo build, or like looks and stuff like that? I feel like I should go a little bit more for looks, just for the simple fact that I'm already bolt on, and I'm okay where I'm at. You know, I'm not in no rush to go faster, and I feel like taking care of the exterior, maybe wrapping the car or something like that, would also be another fun project to do, I guess. But let me know what you guys would want to see. Nice G37. The windows are dark, but mine are dark too. But yeah, let me know. These cars be saying that you need to get out, and they don't they see that you need to get out, and they don't be trying to let you out and stuff like that. That's what blows me about them. You trying to run, bro? Nah, he don't want that. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, back at it again. This is the next day. I didn't finish recording yesterday because I had stuff to do, so I'm picking it back up here. I'm on my way to work now, and I just want to show you guys a little bit more driving footage. Gas went down a little bit. I switched maps. I'm now on obviously 93. No more E85 in the tank, and I just wanted to do a couple pulls so you guys can see. I'm on a back road. It's kind of bumpy back here, but I'm gonna leave traction turned on because I spin way too much and it's way too cold. But yeah, I'm gonna do a second gear 50. But yeah, here we go. We got cars behind me and stuff. Let me fine on 93, no biggie. But I just wanted to give you guys a couple more holes and stuff like that. I will say that it is a lot louder on 93. Well, at least that's how it feels, and that's how I hear it. Like, it sounds a lot louder, for real, for real. Right now we're passing there's one building, but it's definitely it definitely is. It takes longer for 93 to waste, you know what I'm saying, to burn out. So it's not burning as fast as E85 usually does. But yeah, it's crazy. Let me turn on my flame map so you guys can hear some flames real quick. Some pops. So let me see. But yeah, it definitely sounds a lot louder for sure. I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. But I'm gonna turn it off. I don't like being on the flame map for too long. That's just my personal opinion on it. Flame app is cool and all, but honestly I don't really use it. What are the odds of that? I turn the flame app on and check it out, guys. Right there. That's crazy. But yeah, man, today I'm leaving to my road trip. I'm not gonna say where until I get there, but I will be recording on the way there and stuff like that, so you guys can have something to watch as well. So it should be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a nice video. It's gonna be fun. It's been something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I think you guys will enjoy that. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on the clutch. Clutch is doing very good. I really like it. Also, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a POV footage so you guys can see. But other than that, that's what's gonna do it for this video today, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got a lot of content coming up, like I told you. 2021, we're turning it up a little bit, and I'm still deciding what I want to do. But leave me feedback. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys think I should do next to the car, as far as, you know what I'm saying, like make it kind of like a show car type of car. You guys want to see more performance of it, races, whatever you guys want to see, just let me know. Leave a comment down